here is the question. A boiler operates at 100 psig. How many fusible plugs are required? Option A mentions 2.5 inch with 3/4 inch less than 100 square feet. Option B talks about 8-foot horizontal and 10-foot vertical piping. Option C says one fusible plug when the heating surface is over 50 square feet. Option D claims the installing company decides. Let's list them out so we can compare. Let's visualize a simple miniature boiler. We draw a vertical cylindrical boiler with its connecting pipes, a gauge, and the fusible plug near the top where overheating could happen. This plug melts first if the water level is too low or the pressure and temperature climb too high. That is why the code mandates a plug in that location. The correct answer is option C. According to the safety code for miniature boilers in Part 14, one fusible plug is required when the heating surface exceeds 50 square feet. This ensures a critical safety mechanism is in place for larger heating capacities. We now highlight the correct answer. Option C is the one fusible plug for boilers with over 50 square feet of heating surface. Part 14 defines miniature boilers and explains that at 100 psig and with heating surface above 50 square feet, a single fusible plug is required for the boiler. This plug protects against the critical overheat condition we just drew. In summary, for a boiler operating at 100 psig with a heating surface over 50 square feet, the safety code mandates one fusible plug. Understanding these specific requirements ensures you comply with Part 14 regulations. Thanks for watching. To wrap up, the only choice that matches the miniature boiler criteria in Part 14 is option C, one fusible plug for boilers with over 50 square feet of heating surface at 100 psig. Remember, codes are specific, so matching the exact limitation is what keeps boilers safe.